guys. In this session, we are going to see how are we going to build a UI. It can be a web page or a website with the help of GenAI without any coding experience or computer skills. So right now, I'm going to execute a model, large language model, and then I'm going to create a website. So I'm going to get into Chat Arena. I can do that same thing in Chat GPT, but I'm going to use the Chat Arena because where I have an option to run two different LLM models, and I can able to get two different codes at the same time. So in the Google, you go and simply type Chat Arena. You will have a Limsys R. So you open that. Once you go inside, you have a you have an option. So actually, you will see two models, Model A and Model B, and each model you can see that on the left side I have a Gemini from Google. On the right side, probably I would like to change it to maybe a Llama or something else. Yep, I'll change it to Llama. That's from Meta. So you can try anything, like maybe if you want to try with GPT-4, you can do that. So I'm gonna use in this side. I'm gonna change it as Llama. Yeah, so we can do the comparison. So now I'm going to give the prompt. I'm going to give an input to the Gen AI. I'm going to get a response back. So my input would be um, okay. So my input is create a login page with the username and password with the company name on top as Joe Technologies. So I'm going to ask this question with Gen AI. So let's see what's the outcome I'm getting it. Okay, unfortunately, GPT-4 did not give a response back. It's saying the rate of the limit of this model is reached, but I do get a response from the Llama. So for now, I'm going to use this code. I'm going to just copy this code and I'm going to create a brand new notepad. So I'm going to close the existing one. So this is my notepad file. I'm going to save this on one of my folder with my new UI. So I'm going to save it under the my new UI. So index.html. Okay, I think there is already index file. Let me remove all the existing folders. Yeah, so the file got saved. So this is my folder. So I just have one image, but this is the HTML file we have saved just now. So now let's take a look at the instructions. So this code creates a basic login page with the company name on top and username password with the login button. So the CSS style page with a clean modern design. So it's a clean design. You can also add more features to it. Remember me, forget password, registration link. So you can add this and enhance this page. So just for a demo, I don't add everything else. I'm gonna just run this. So yeah, I do get a login page with the Joe Technologies as we asked username, password, and a login button. Cool. So now we are going to run. We're going to change. Let me change the model to something else. I'm going to change it to Gemini 1.5 Pro. Okay. So I'm going to create one more website. So I'm planning to build a web page or a UI with the four tabs: products, solutions, and contact us. So I'm going to give a prompt. Who to build a UI with the company name as Joe Technologies with four tabs: our products, our solutions, who we are, contact us, with the background flashy image. So I'm going to give this as an input. So hopefully you will see the two different codes on the Model A and Model B at the same time. Here you go. You got it. So as you see, we have two different codes. One from the Llama, one from the Gemini model. That's from Google. So if you are seeing, there is a very big code uh, Llama has created. We have a HTML, we have the CSS, the cascading style sheet, and we do have the JavaScript. So we are going to first just copy the code and create the three different files, and we're going to see the output. I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to the same folder. Instead of this, I'm going to delete this. I create a new document. I'm going to open this editor, save this. So I save this file. I'm going to replace the .txt with HTML. Okay, and now I'm going to copy the CSS. So there is a button here for the copy. So you can simply click the button. The entire code will be copied to your clipboard. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go there and open a new text document. I'm going to change this as style.css. But I think we didn't put the code there. So first we need to put the code inside. So if you see here, you will have an option to add your product background, your solution background, your about us background. So you can embed four different background images there. So if you have that, so right now I'm just changing the only the header background. I already have the image for the header. So I'm going to remove this header background. I'm going to close this. And coming down, we have a JavaScript. So I'm just copy the script. Again, I'm going to create the file. So I open the script file, I put the code and save it. That's it. I'm going to save this, but I just need to change the extension. Since the last one is JavaScript, we need to change it to .js. So nothing, just want to give you the background. I don't have any coding experience or knowledge. Just based on whatever the GenAI is giving me the output. So here the GenAI has given the output script.js in file. So I've just saved the file. Now I'm going to simply execute this HTML. See, look at this. We have received a web page with our product, solutions, who we are, and contact us, like with a background image. Unfortunately, our company name is not coming up. So we can check that offline. So hopefully it might be there somewhere else. Right? Or we need to check. We can probably ask the GenAI model to include that as well. So that is also an option. Okay, now we have another response received from Gemini. So that is on your model B. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy the model B and I'm going to create a HTML. So here we don't have a three different files. I think this model gave me just one file, one bigger code of HTML. I'm going to copy this HTML. So I'm going to create a new folder from Gemini. I'm going to create a new HTML. I just need to copy paste this code. So just a quick check if there is any background images or something, we can replace it. So I don't think so. Actually, we have asked for a background image. So let's see if there is anywhere they usually mention about the background image somewhere. Okay, so I think they were thinking that we were asking four different background images. I think we need to fine tune our prompt. So that is okay. So we can just save this and we are going to simply go and execute this. Okay, nice. We do have a very brand new web page user interface or a screen. So where you have the four tabs as we asked: our products, our solutions, who we are, and contact us. So everything is there. Here you go. So you have all the information. But again, if you want to fine tune this page further, you can go here and we can give another input. So what you can ask, add the description as okay. So on the above, you can just clearly mention that on the above code, please add the description as Joe Technologies modernize the business with Gen AI and digital transformation technologies. So you can simply give this input. You will get another code for that, and probably you can simply copy the code and then you can save it as respective files and you can start using that. I hope you will enjoy this video. Pretty soon we'll find another Gen AI video and I will meet you soon. Thank you.